Hi, welcome to Worst Design Studio. Today, I will be creating a logo for a soft drink company named Frolic. Here is the logo description. These are the steps I will follow for creating this logo. At first, research. Here I am in Chrome searching for soft drink companies based in Germany. It is very important to know the market competitors and find inspiration from other great designs. This helps to generate ideas and gives a clear vision of how the logo should look. After some research, I started taking good designs for inspiration. After Google, it is time for Pinterest. Most of the time, I find the most interesting design ideas here. It is always the best place to look for inspiration as it is full of unique designs. After spending a lot of time looking for inspiration, these were the designs that I found interesting. Among all these designs, I really like the vibe of these four, Alla Papo My Sanzo and Drum. They look really clean and fresh. Now let's go to Illustrator. First, I will create a white background using the rectangle tool. Press Ctrl+2 to lock the background. I will type in the logo name and create multiple copies. Hold Alt and drag an object to copy it. Now I will try different fonts. I am trying out some bold and fancy-looking fonts here. This font here looks really cool. I will try it first. Again, make a copy by holding Alt while dragging. It's always best to make a copy and edit the copy version. If things go wrong, you can always go back to the last best version. After creating outline of the text, I will now release and ungroup it. Here you can see the letters are not spaced correctly. I will just put them in a more balanced place. With the help of this guide, I will align the letters to the base using alignment options. Because of releasing the letters this old lost its middle shape. This F looks really weird, like someone cut it halfway while it was growing. Using the direct selection tool, I will specifically select different parts of this F to adjust it. Remember, only the direct selection tool can edit specific parts of a shape. The regular selection tool doesn't work like that. I also need to adjust the R. While adjusting the letter C, I suddenly noticed a problem. This C looks like a keyhole, and that's not good. At this point, I am confident enough that I will use this font to make the logo. So I will just make a custom C. Here I am using the pen tool to create an outline of a shape. Later I will use the shape builder tool to cut out this shape to create the C. This doesn't look good. I have to redo it. To undo any edit, press Ctrl+Z. When using the Shape Builder tool, always be careful about the extra shapes left behind. Now, this looks good. If I compare them to these fonts, you can clearly see which one is the winner. I will just quickly delete them. Now I will start to edit this font and make more customizations to it. Here I am using the pen tool to create a wave in the text. I will use the Shape Builder tool to create the shapes and give them a random color for now. I will repeat the same process throughout the other letters. The idea here is to make a wave flow throughout the letters. I will make multiple copies of the text. First, make a copy, then press Ctrl+D to repeat the process. I will just delete these copies and make new copies from here. I will group this part together to apply the colors more easily. I am pressing Ctrl+Tab to switch between Chrome and Illustrator. Throughout the coloring process, you will see me try out many different colors. My goal is to make the logo vibrant and fresh looking. Here I am pressing Ctrl+Pad to switch between Chrome tabs. After going through a long coloring process, these were the colors that I choose. All of these colors look really good, and I have to pick only one of them, so I am going to make a copy and keep all of them in a separate file to use them later. Among these, I will select the paste color for the logo. Here we have the final design. Creating the logo is done. Now time to present it. Starting with the primary design for the soft drink. Here I have created some different flavored versions for the brand using the color variants of the logo. Presenting the design was pretty hard for this project because I was unable to find a can mock-up with packaging that matched the aesthetics of my design. I had to create the packaging for the can. This was the first time I created a packaging design, so I hope you overlook any mistakes I have made. That's it for today's project. Thank you for watching.